Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Instagram video autoplay. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to go ahead and open up my Instagram app. Once you're in the app, you're going to the bottom right hand corner and click on your profile photo. Once you're on your profile, you're going to go to the upper right hand corner and press on those three lines. Once you're here, you're going to click on settings, the first option. From here, you're going to scan down to the middle of the page and click on account and click on data usage. Now the use less cellular data option is here. If you would like to disable Instagram autoplay, you're going to click it on. What this does is it uses less data and it automatically stops the autoplay of videos on your Instagram feed. If you would like to enable the autoplay, then you would just go ahead and click this off. And that is how you disable and enable the Instagram video autoplay. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.